Good morning, Papa Jesus. Thank you for everything, Mama Mary, and little baby Santo Niño. Thank you for everything. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ang aking mga halaman. It's Christmas in our house, in our bed. dito lang yan sa bed, sa aming kwarto. Aking mga halaman, guys. Yung iba dyan matagal na. I think 8 years yung iba dyan. I have dragon fruits. Hello sa mga dragon fruit lovers. I love dragon fruits. Napakamahal dito, guys. Tinanim ko lang siya ng matawag doon, yung buto, seed. Yan gumapang, easy lang pala. Madaling itanim. Healthy naman ang dragon fruits. Tingnan natin pag madilim. Ito pa, mga halaman. Ayan pa sa taas. My plants. My altar. Thank you for watching all my videos at for liking. Sa iba nagsishare. Please follow my Facebook page and small YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Stay healthy, stay safe, and have a blessed day. And bless the whole December and the next year. Thank you. Thank you, guys. God bless you all.